I'm gonna share with you another nice app, and this app is gonna help you to add animated text to your Instagram stories. So let's open it. The first thing that you're gonna see is this. It's gonna open a camera, and on top on the left side you have some options which are not that relevant. It says start over, so you can like reset your project and start all over again. Rate the app, inspiration, don't go there, because if you tap on that, it's gonna take you to the Instagram account of the app, and they have nothing to show, like zero. They don't even have stories, which is weird, but yeah, don't even go there, don't even bother. So let's move on. On this side, on the right side, you can pick the size that you can that you want to record: portrait, square, or landscape. I'm gonna leave it on portrait, and then here these little arrows switch the cameras, the front facing and the back facing camera. And the last option is the this button, so you can record, and if you tap and hold, you can zoom in and zoom out. So I'm just gonna record 15 seconds for my Instagram stories. So here you have it. Now you have three different options right here. So this is the text option. You can pick any text you like. They have like different animations, and then you can also pick the color. I'm gonna tap on that, and if you tap again, it's gonna switch it like black, white, or red, whatever color you like. And then if you wanna like make the text bigger, you can hold and drag, make it bigger or make it smaller, or change the position. And also you can double tap and then write whatever you want. So I'm gonna tap one life, and then tap on the check mark, and this is your text. You can move it around and stuff. And then let's go to the middle option. If you change your mind, you can fix things around. Again, make a square, landscape, but I'm gonna leave it as a portrait mode. And then the last option gives you access to switch some things around. In this case, the first one is like to make the text slower, not that fast, so it stays longer on your Instagram stories. And then the other one is to add music. You can pick any song you want, and the app is gonna add it to your Instagram story. And then the last one, you can like flip the video. You can, as you can see, it is different now. The position is opposite, and then you can do this or this, whatever you want. You can switch things around, and also you can make it faster or slower. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and then it'll be it. These are the things that you can do. And now we're gonna tap on the check mark, and you'll see you can share your story in these social networks. I'm just gonna save it in my camera roll. And if you use this tool, you can like personalize your Instagram stories, and you can catch more attention, so your followers stay longer in your account. And now it's almost done, and I'm gonna go to my photos, and then here you have the story. As you can see, it's 15 seconds long, and it has text, and you can do some other things as you saw. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.